Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. This video is a introduction to JSP, Tomcat, Eclipse Ide, and how to configure Apache Tomcat server in Eclipse Ide. JSP, Java Server Pages, is a technology that helps us create dynamically generated pages by converting script files into executable Java modules. Tomcat is a server application that can execute our code and act as a web server for our dynamic pages. The Eclipse IDE, it is possible to build a web application by compiling Java modules from the command line. It's more efficient to use an integrated development environment IDE. The Eclipse IDE is famous for Java integrated development environment. So first we are going to install Java if you don't already have on your system. The Java Development Kit JDK, which let us compile Java sources into executable classes. There are two main distributions, the Oracle JDK and the OpenJDK. I will install OpenJDK. We can download and install OpenJDK with this command sudo apt install OpenJDK 14 JDK and just hit enter. After inserting the password, the download will start. Enter Y to continue. Now we have a JDK installed on our system. And now we can perform the Java test. To test the Java installation, you can open a command line window or terminal and type this command javac. I will just clear the screen first and need to enter javac command. And you will get the similar output. And if you want to test and confirm the installed Java version, we can type this command Java and then dash version. And you can see we have OpenJDK version 14.02. And now we will learn how to install Tomcat on a Linux. This is the Java web server of Apache Tomcat service, which is the servlet container that allows you to run JSP in which Java code can run. It is easier and safer to just download a zip version and run the relevant script for the respective OS. So we are going to open our Chrome browser and go to Tomcat download site. We can type in Tomcat download. And on this Tomcat apache.org site, we can click on this link over here. This is a link to download version 8. I will download Tomcat version 9. And on download page for Tomcat version 9. We can scroll down a bit and we need to download this file tar.gc, and you can click on it. Download started, and now we can unzip the downloaded file in opta or opt directory. First, I'm going to list the content of my download folder. Here is our Apache Tomcat file. I will copy the name and clear the terminal. We can use this command with sudo tar xf and the file name and the path. It's inside download folder, downloads, and we are going to copy into a -c option opt and hit enter. Enter the password, and we should have a Apache Tomcat folder in a opt. Let's list the content of opt folder. Here is that Apache folder that is extracted, and now I'm going to move into cd opt and this folder Apache Tomcat. And inside this folder, I will list the content. And I need to check the content of bin directory with ls command. I can use sudo. And over here is our startup.sh file. Now, to start a server, we can use this file. So I will clear the terminal first and move into bin directory, sudo let me check. Instead of moving into that folder, I will just run that script from here. Now, so this one will be sudo and the bin folder, and inside bin folder startup.sh, and just hit enter, and we get the message Tomcat started. And I will open another terminal, and on this terminal I will run this command to see the console of Tomcat. We can use sudo tail -f logs Catalina .out and hit enter password, and here is the console of the Tomcat. So our server is started. We can open a browser and try to access our Tomcat. To access Tomcat, we can type in localhost colon and port 8080 and hit enter. And this is the main page. And now, if you want to install Eclipse, I already have installed on my system. To install Eclipse, we can type Eclipse download. And on this side over here, eclipse.org. Just click on that link. And you need to go to the section where Eclipse Ide for enterprise Java developers, because we will be developing enterprise applications. So we need to download a Java enterprise version. And under the download button, we can see download packages. Click on this link. And on this download page, packages page, scroll down. And here are different packages such as Eclipse Ide for Java developers. We are interested in Eclipse Ide for enterprise Java and web developers. Here are the operating system versions. We are interested in Linux. If you want to download for Windows, you can click over here. If you want to download for Linux, you can click over here. And after the download, you just need to extract the same way or unzip the same way we did for Tomcat, and then run Eclipse. You can also watch my other video how to install Eclipse for enterprise Java and web developer. Now I will start the Eclipse Ide on my system, and we will learn how to set up Tomcat with our Eclipse IDE. This is my Eclipse IDE. I will click on this. When Eclipse starts, it asks you to select a workspace. The workspace is the folder where Eclipse stores your development projects. So I will click on launch, and this is my workspace folder. And then you can go to Windows and then click on Preference. Select Server. And under Server, select Runtime Environment. And then click on Add button. And on this screen, you can tell Eclipse to use Tomcat version 9 or the version of your choice. So I'm going to just select Apache Tomcat version 9. and click on next. And here you need to select the Tomcat installation directory. It's for us is under the OPT or opt directory. Click on browse and for me I just click on other locations, and under computer this is a opt folder, and here is our Apache Tomcat directory. And click on open. If you get this error, unknown version of Tomcat was specified, you can change the permission for Tomcat to 755 and it should work. For example, right here, I can use this command sudo chmod with dash uppercase R and 755 and the complete path of Apache Tomcat folder, and just hit enter and select the folder again, and that error is gone. You can just click on browse and go to the OPT and then select the Apache folder and click on open. Over here I will just go with the Word default JRE, or you can select other version by using the drop down list, and I will just click on finish. Now if you have done everything correctly, Tomcat, Apache Tomcat name and type will appear over here, and you can just click on apply and close. And now under the window, select show view and select servers, and under the server tab click the link to create a new server, and we will select Tomcat version 9 and click on next. And here where you select Tomcat version 9, here you need to click add for the server runtime environment that we created before, and click on finish, and then click on next, then click on finish, and you can see Tomcat server is added under the servers tab. Now we are going to create a new dynamic web project. We can select file, new, and dynamic web project. And here enter project name. I will use test, and then click on next. Click next. In the new screen, name a web module. Select this one, check this one, generate web.xml deployment descriptor. and click on finish. And here is our project folder, and under web content folder, or right click on web content folder and select new. And then JSP file, this one over here, click on it. On the new JSP screen that appears, replace the default new file.jsp with index.jsp and click on next, and we will just click on finish. Eclipse shows the newly created file in the Project Explorer, and this one over here, and open it in the central pane of the workbench, our index.jsp file. And here I'm going to replace this title of the page, hello world JSP example. And inside body, I will add a h1 heading tag. Inside I will type in welcome to asympcode, and we just need to save our file. Right click on our project folder, this one, test, and select run as run on server, and on this screen run on server, click finish. This Tomcat is selected for us. Be sure to stop Tomcat from the command line before using it in Eclipse. Otherwise, you will have an error saying your server is in use. So we can use this command, shutdown. And this will shut down the server that we started before. And after stopping that server, you can select the project and right click on it and select run as run on server, and then on that screen just click on finish. On a run on server, just click finish, and you can see the output under the console tab. It's starting the Apache server, and a server started. We need to check out this error. My system was running low on memory, so I just restarted the server. And here is our index.jsp page, the output of our index.jsp page. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Asympcode, and like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.